Okay, start. First quarter. Campiana.
Gamble between Ojula and Sanjo.
First ball, C4.
First possession from the CM Farm. Sanjo.
5 to shoot.
5 seconds on the shot clock. And CM Farm for this championship game. Sila yung nakauna ng possession. And an early turnover from them. Now look for the WB and Sophia first runner. That was stolen by the general. Bragais kick out to June Manso. First basket of the ball game. Big Manuel tried to drive. Beyond one by the Muscleman. The full confidence for this game 3 to our legendary Muscleman Vic Manuel. He noticed for the last night that Vic Manuel lahat ng kanyang natutunan na, lahat na ng experience ibibigay na lahat dito sa laban na to. But kabog for the pull away. Salamat po sa mga nakakaunawa sa atin. 4-2 here now by Oscar. It's a foul by June Manso. First personal foul on June Manso. Now shot clock fresh at 24 if that inbound is from the backcourt. Lopez, pass to Ojula. Balik kay Lopez. O Oscar to Ojula. Fire 2. No good. Defensive rebound by the CM Farm. Ojula against Laundry Sanjo. 3! That is only a long 2 shots. Only 2 points by Laundry Sanjo. 6-2. Lopez. Pass to Sherwin Concepcion. Eman Calo. Eman fire. Top of the key. Missed the 3. Now chance for CM Farm once again to better score by the General Bragais. Now to Manso. Pick. Manso drive. Manso nakalusot. Third drop connect. Now it's an 8-2. Vic Manuel for 3. Bang! The Muscleman. 5 points by Vic Manuel. All score from the WB by the legend Muscleman. Kabawag sumagot ng 3. No good. Now by Eman Calo. Accelerate. Calo mukhang tuloy-tuloy. The hang time move. No good. Now by Bragais. Drop to Sanjo. No. Rebound by Ojula to Oscar Lopez. Oscar down. Oscar Pine. Ojula. Oscar tip in. Oscar big offensive rebound. Oscar corner. On board. Malas talaga. Another offensive rebound. Open. Sherwin. 1 go. Offensive rebound. Now, tinutok na ni Oscar Lopez. A lot of rebound. A lot of offensive ball by Oscar Lopez, and although he made that easy 2 points doon sa kanyang pang-4 na rebound. Score is 8-7, 1 point for the CM Farm. Jun Manso, corner. Manso drive, umikot. Tap, it's a steal. By Concepcion. Outlet, Eman Kalob! Dalawang kamay! Maagang pagladlad ng pitik. Dashiman.
Oh, baliw ko kanang Kuya ay.
Eman Kalo.
Kita lang mo baliw, dili ta magapil-apil.
Maagang pagladlad. Dashiman. Eman Kalo.
Kanang tungod sa ring de baliw.
At ito, sobrang jump pack yung mga tao.
Time out.
Lalong mas dumami dito sa ating covered court here in Loreto, Dinagat Island. Ultimo, pati mga pulis kailangan natin dito talaga na mag-assist o mag-organize at dami ng tao. Samot-saring amoy. Nandito na sa Dinagat Island, walang problema. Dahil lahat gustong mapanood itong Game 3 na to. And of course, shout out to all na nanonood sa atin. Shout out, yan yung mga nasa likod. Vilmer and Noya, Vem and Noya, Don Llamera and Ejoy Llamera. Shout out sa family Noya and family Llamera watching live here at Dinagat Island. 6 minutes on the game clock, 3.7. Nanonood sa atin, 1 point by the WB. Manso, short, one-handed. 5:50 game clock, Oscar to the Golden Hands. Now Vic Manuel. Vic, bounce to Ojula, nakawala. Basket count. Nice bounce. Pick and roll. Vic Manuel to Ojula. 11 and 8, 3-point leads. Ray Suerte, step back. Pass to Cabog, 3 points, bang.
Cabog, 3.
3-point shots by Cabog, deadlock 11. Vic Manuel contra Cabog. Look for a screen, Eman, 5-3. No goodbye. Vic Manuel, oh, another hassle rebound by Oscar Lopez, and now Kabalik! Oh! Muntik na kay Eman Kalo. Oh, what a steal by Lopez. Kalo by Vic Manuel. Slices. Third drop in. The muscle man made the basket for 2. All out ang muscle man. Taguro, 100%. 3-point shots by Cabog. Nag-rebound by Vic Manuel. Now Eman Kalo. Push it to Ojula. Nakaharang. Itong si Mr. Sanjo. Nice footwork. Ojula and one try. And. Holding foul.
All on jersey number 5, holding foul. 50, holding foul. First foul number 50. 30 foul, CM Farm.
Buong Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, di dapat palampasin itong huling digmaan ng dalawang hari ng panalay. 3-point shots. No! Defensive rebound by the CM Farm. The General. Bragais, pass to Cabog. Jampol Cabog. Laban na kay Muscleman. Extra rice kontra Muscle. What a move by Jampol Cabog. 13 deadlock is the score. Manuel. And it's a stolen steal by Cabog. And that was a foul.
Foul ahead.
Foul on the ground. Ho, 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 ho.
All on jersey number 35. Substitution. First foul number 35. First team foul.
Lagpong. General, and there's a whistle. And
Number 19. Holding foul.
honestly acknowledged by Evan Calo. Team foul number 3. Or rather, second team foul for the WB at may tatlong team foul po ang CM Farm dito. 3:47 on the first quarter. Try for the knockout. Tap out by
Substitution.
Nonoy. Same basketball. Good shot clock. 13 seconds. Another baseline inbound. Ang ganda ng pagkakawala.
For Cabajo.
Yan na yung sinasabi natin. Sa tagal na ng pagsasama dito ng mga player from the CM Farm, yung connection talaga yung pinaka maaasahan nila dito. Yun ang nilang magiging advantage for this powerhouse lineup by the team WP and Sofia. 3:33 remaining game clock. Dalawa uli lamang ang CM Farm.
Ligo-ligo.
Well, Ligo. Now on the floor by the team CM Farm. First free throw good by Mark Nonoy. Two out of two. Deadlock!
Let's complete. Nonoy.
Tuloy ang dikit na laban mula kagabi ng WB and CM. Cabaog. Pass to June Manso. JP Cabaog. Pass to Luelo.
And to shoot.
Now to Laundry Sanjo. 7 shot clock. Cabaog top of the key. No good rebound. Tapik. And Sanjo. And one.
And one. Basket's good. Foul number 8. Ligas Yusuf. Substitution. Number 8, first foul. Third of the team.
Bonus free throw by Laundry Sanjo. Rebound by Jack Corpus. Pass to Mark Nonoy. Now on Lopez. Lopez drop. Check.
Number 18, pushing foul.
It's a foul by number 18.
Timeout.
Time out for the CM Farm.
Villarosa, first personal foul. Warning, 14 penalty.
Shoutout din sa mga nasa labas ng bansa na nanonood dito sa Pilipinas. Here in the Mindanao, Panalay. The CM Farm versus WB Sophia.
Back to the ball game.
Two minutes, 55 remaining first quarter. At tama po yung score natin na dalawa ang lamang ng CM Farm. Cabaog. JP. Again, Jack. Corpus. Save by Laundry to the wrong man. Here now the WB. Oscar. Hang time on the board. Offensive rebound. And a foul.
Foul number 7, Ligo.
Well, Ligo. There was an illegal use of the hand. Illegal contact to the hands. Tama yung tawag ng referee. 2 shots, Lopez. First no good for Oscar. The second is good.
Point Lopez.
Cabaog. Screen, Cabaog, natapik ang bola. Still, 3-on-1 situation. Drop pass. Hang time, Oscar. It's a foul.
Foul on jersey number 7, Liga Jusban. Penalty. Substitution.
Shooting to for Villarosa, penalty. Shout out Michael Ulao, shout out Dodong Estrella, Adrian Gabriel. Ayan, tama po kayo, medyo tabing kakaslam dunk ng mga import. Pero wala na tayong magagawa dyan. The show must go on. 18-17, 1 point now for the WB. Number 77, reject
Same ball.
by Ojula. Di ka talaga di uubra, sabi ni Ojula.
14 on the shot clock.
Not in my house, not here in Africa. Said by Ojula. 2 minutes, game clock, first quarter. Inside, number 7, Wello, ligo, muntik nang mawala ang bola, same ball. 11 on the shot clock.
Shot clock 11.
Shout out for Kauswagan, Misamis Oriental, Ivan James, Nissan, Lidongan, Marvin Hayes, pass to
5 to shoot.
Janmar Bragais, Janmar, dip 3, no good rebound, tapik, Hayes, top, rebound
And the shoot.
by Sanjo, ball pick by Palencia, float, yes!
Kobe Valencia.
Margno na get a foul.
Akside yun.
Oh. Tingnan bitaw, wala tao sa tungod sa ring. Bata po yun. Palihog ko, inyong mga bata, palihog. Bawal. Na sa tungod sa ring. Wala yung pinilog yun niya. Tingnan natin sa...
Shoutout sa mga taga Cam Norte, sa mga taga Paracale,
To Lopez.
na bayan ng ating boss Roel Weber. This is it, Pansit. Part 3, CM versus WA. Sa mga taga Kalibo Aklan, taga Masbate, shoutout. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Missed them both. Under 2 minutes. Palencia. And CJ Delpino. Siya na yung nakaharang dito kay Palencia. Pass to Marvin Hayes.
And the shoot.
Hayes pass to Palencia. Palencia fire. No good. Rebound by Eman Ojula. Pass to CJ Delpino. Delpino. Pass to Corpus. Peak. Corpus zigzag to Ojula.
There's the ball.
There's a foul by Eman Ojula.
Number 14, Ojola. Pushing foul.
Penalty.
First foul, number 14. Penalty.
Yes, this is live action here in Loreto, Dinagat Island. Part 3 by the WB Sophia and CM Farm.
1 point.
Shoutout kay Boss Lindon, Jerome Paule. Yan, nakikipag-finals yung mga ibang mailiga sa iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas. Pero alam nating inaabangan din nila itong bakbakang CM Farm and WB Sophia.
Substitution.
Isang minuto pang natitira dito sa ating unang quarter. CJ Delpino pass to Corpus. Corpus pass to Deausen. Now by Daryl Villarosa.
Out of bounds. Turnover.
Turnover. Shout out Kongking Malprams from Katarman, Northern Summer. Lagi ako nakabang sa live nyo. Maraming salamat po. Nino Ray Agos, Chiral Care from San Francisco, Quezon. La Paz Leyte, Kay Molon. Shout out sa mga taga Paz Leyte. Tw 21-18. Set up by Palencia or rather Welo Lingo. Basket 5 points there for the CM Farm. Jason Deausen. Jason now in trouble. CJ Delpino. Yes! What attack by the Tasmanian Devil. Almost check. 5-3. Whoa! Basket pa. By Laundry Sanjo. Nice shot last by Laundry Sanjo. 25-20 is the score. 5 points by the here at the Loreto Dinagat Island. Delpino. Post pass to Jack Corpus. Jack Corpus behind a mismatch. Ball check. Steal. Behind back. Here comes Marvin A. Spin. Kick out to number 7. Welo. Now Palencia. Pass to Mejares. It's a traveling.
Substitution.
Shout out po for Dolin's Farm. Vic Manuel, pass to Eman Ojula, MIB, man in black. Ojula force, tap ball. Three-point shots, bang! Whoa, lingo. Timeout. WB Sophia. Dito din sa Mindanao. Ayan, sa kabilang isla. Minute gone by here, the second quarter. And the lead will up and 8. 3-point shots by JC Deausen. Agbong for foul. Ayan, shoutout sa mga taga-humonhon. Dito, bawal huminahon. Talagang sigawan sa mga player, coaches. At pati yung napakaraming crowd dito sa Dinagat Island. JC Deausen. Pass to CJ Delpino. CJ takes slide. It's a traveling.
Turnover. Paliw pa. Paliw. Substitution.
Live here in Loreto, Diragat Island, CM Farm and WB number 7. Well, Lego. No good. Rebound. Turnover.
Turnover. Substitution.
Eight points by the CM Farm. And now Oscar Lopez will back for the WB. Oscar. Pass to Ojula. Another force. Here now by Braga, or rather, Jory Napoles on the corner. No good. CM Farm, sidestep by Palencia. Pass to Agbong.
10 to shoot.
Ball fake. Check steal by Lopez. Lopez on the move. Hang time, drive. Yes, sir.
Lopez.
28-22. 8 minutes on the game clock. Agbong laban Manuel. Agbong. Dinalawa. Rebound by Sherwin Concepcion. Concepcion. Oh, it's a tabo.
Atras si Paleo, galing linya besa. Tungkol na rin, atras si Paleo. Substitution. Shot clock, 19 seconds. Shot clock, 19.
Another steal for the CM Farm. Foul by Jory Napoles.
Napoles, illegal use of hands, shooting 2. Substitution. Napoles, first personal foul. First team foul.
Mijares on the free throw. Shout out from Abu Dhabi, Marnie Derulo.
Two goals complete, Jintoy Mijares.
Balik sa walo ang abante ng CM Farm, Kintoy Mijares. Lopez. Big Manuel. Pull up. Jumper miss. Foul by Big Manuel.
Foul jersey number 87, Manuel. Holding foul. First foul. Second of the team.
Three-point shots. Bang! Well, ligo. 11 points. Oscar block. Agbong. Open war Lingo. Back-to-back three. Time out for the double new break. 36-22. Now it's a 14 points. Back on the floor. Nonoy. Pass to Eman Calo. The three. No. Ibanez. To Agbong. Agbong post.
And shoot.
Laban Vic Manuel. On the board basket. Laundry Sanjo patuloy na nananalasa ang CM Farm. Lumulobong kalamangan. That was now 16 points. 6 minutes on the game clock. Still by Mark Nonoy. 3 by Welo. Lingo-lingo no good. Rebound push. Sakto sa ilalim. Sharing Concepcion.
Concepcion.
Get the lead pass connect.
Timeout. CM Farm.
Timeout from the CM Farm 5 and 43. 38-24. Timeout kagad CM Farm for that basket ng WB.
CM Farm will shoot timeout for the first half.
Marnie Darulo from Dubai. Shout out to all. Shout out from New Mabuhay Dinagat.
Back to the ball game. CM Farm basketball.
Shout out na rin kay Coach Tukba Mabulay from Paranas. Samar, mas maangas pa kay Tolentino. Ay, wala po tayong Neil Tolentino ngayon dito sa Dinagat Island series dahil nag-birthday yung anak at nagpabinyag. Ginapanan ng pagiging mabuting ama at asawa. Another push. Here comes Emanuela. That two. And layup by Dashiman. Shimanuela. 5:15 game clock. 38-26, 12 points down. Ligo. Kick out. 3-point shots. No good. Rebound. Tapikan. Dito ng dalawang import. And it's a foul.
All over 13. Illegal use of hands. Substitution. First foul. Second of the team. CM Farm.
5:03 game clock. Mark Nonoy. Now Vic Manuel. Libre masahe sa kanto, no good.
Out of bounds, same ball.
Out of bounds, it's the same ball. Here now Mark Nonoy from 3. Short. Di makatarget na mga 3-point shots. Dito yung WB. Yan yung nagpalamang kanina for the back-to-back 3-point shots samantala ni Lingo-Lingo ng CM Farm. Now June Manso, signal. 4:30 game clock. Manso pass to Welo. Welo nakabuelo naman sa kanto. No goodbye. Cabao here now by Mark Nonoy. Mark Nonoy in attacking depensa. Welo, Lingo-Lingo. Naligaw si Welo. Nakabuelo si Nonoy. And one. Basket count with a foul.
Number 7. Third personal foul. 13 foul.
Complete.
3 points complete.
That is the 7-0 run now by the WB from 16. 7 to nothing run down into 9 ng CM Farm. Ayan, huwag na rin kakalimutan ni follow Bisaya Mix Vlog. Yan ang ating kasama. Pagod na si EG Bisaya. Ayan, please contact Jandel Gesta, Bisaya Mix Vlog. Kung gusto nyo kaming makasama sa inyong mga liga dito sa Mindanao. 4 na minuto. Jenmar Barangay sa 3 tumira. Release, miss. Defensive rebound. Sherwin. First to Nonoy. Now here comes the Bastelman. Vic Manuel. Basket for 2. 9-0 run. The lead cut into 7. Manso. Top of the three. Pamatay. Sunog ni John Manso. Balik sa 10 ang abante. Three-point shots. No good. Outlet. Halare. Balik sa 12. Nonoy. Break from 3. Nonoy. Nabitawan ang bola. Here na by Halare. Maso pick. Kabaog.
10 to shoot.
10 shot clock. 3. No good. Rebound by Eman Calo. Eman Calo will get a foul.
All number 10 para guys. Illegal use events. First foul. Warning for team penalty. CFR.
Ojala.
There's the ball. Foul jersey number 23, pushing foul, Manso. Second foul, penalty.
First read by Ojala. Missed the second. 11 points.
And to shoot.
Nice block.
Turnover.
It's a turnover. Anong nangyari dito? Cross call.
Okay, correct the ball error. Laundry Sancho. Very effective import. Laundry Sancho, napakabigat na lineup dito. Then ng CM Farm 2 minutes. Then to shoot.
3-point shot by Sherwin. No good rebound. Here na by General Bagais. Genmar. Step back Manso. Open Halyare sa 3. Bang! And the lead will up once again by the team. CM Farm. Ang yari dito for the WB Nonoy. It's a foul.
Foul on jersey number 50. Illegal contact. Shooting 2. Second foul. Penalty. Substitution.
48-33, 15 points, 16 points was the biggest lead. Jinmanso,
Set to shoot.
ball screen by Sanjo to get another three.
Three.
A lot of connection from the three
Seconds to play.
by the CM Farm. Samantalang nagka-off 3-point shots yung mga player dito ng WBN sa PM.
Foul in jersey number 42, Halari. Holding foul, penalty. Substitution, Halari, first personal foul.
Shooting 2 for Villarosa. Small ball player. Dito, yung WB Sophia. First, talagang parang ang kunat ng basket dito ng WB. Dito sa ring na to kahapon pa. Look at that, another miss. Bao gets a steal by Jory Napoles. Now CJ. Pine. Villarosa nakalusot. And 1-0. Shooting 2.
Foul in jersey number 42. Illegal use of hands.
51-33 is the score. That was now an 18 big leads by the CM Farm.
Second foul. Penalty. On point.
First throw is good. And both is good. Substitution. Shout out sa mga vlogger dyan. Pitik ni Kuya Red from Pampanga. Shout out to all vlogger here in the Philippines. Step back by John Manso! Di mapigil ang mga konektadong tres dito ng CM Farm. Delpino. Isolation. Nice pass. Nice play. And one by Jack Corpus. What a nice assist by Delpino. Nakita yung isang taguro. At ito, namumuro. Etong si Jack Corpus from an N1.
13 seconds remaining.
3-point played. And one complete for Jack Corpus. 54-38, 13 seconds remaining for this first half. Sorella. Right back by the general. And that was a nice duty foul.
On jersey number 17.
2 seconds. Wala sa penalty. .74 remaining. 54-38 is scored. Lamang na labang ang CM Farm dito. First half. Of course, mamaya kapag sa halftime, kung wala man po kaming audio, siguradong mag-mute tayo dahil ayaw nating makapiright. At 5 minutes halftime break lamang naman meron dito. Check by Jore. 179. .79.
34.
Point 34.
One minute. One minute.
It's only point 34. Talagang super stress mga official natin dito. Dahil kailangan talaga nilang trabahuin. Mahirap talaga maging trabaho. Ang laban na to at yun ang hinahabol.
Quarter.
Almost for Jack Corpus. For the buzzer beater. 54-38 end of the first half. Matinding digmaan talaga dito sa Mindanao. The CM Farm and WB and Sofia. Abangan ang susunod na dalawang quarter na natitira. Sino ang mag-uuwi ng CM Farm? Ikatlong pagtutuos. Sige, isang shoutout pa from Humonhon Island, Osric Trucking, Belmar, Samelon. Pa-shoutout from Santo Tomas, Wins. Pa-shoutout from Pioduran, Albay po. Sayang sila Tolentino, wala Roderick Tabinas. Shoutout sa Barangay Binitawan, Abdul Hakima, Mapandi Usman. Yan, shoutout sa mga Barangay Binitawan. At dito sinalo na ni CM Farm Import Laundry Sanjo, paikot doon sa kay Halare. Halare on the right wing. Halare, pig. Fire, short, rebound, offensive rebound. Number 41, pass to Laundry. Sanjo, ball pick, excellent.
Laundry Sanjo.
56-38, 18 points, a lot of lead by the team CM Farm. Here now by Eman Calo. Calo fire, 3. The good. No outside connection from the WB, samantalang CM Farm. Napakataas ng porsyento na mga tira sa labas. 10 on the shot clock, June Manso, ball pick. Manso, fire 3, bang! Wala, lingo. Ayan na yung sinasabi natin na yung mga koneksyon galing sa labas ng team CM Farm, lalong-lalo na dito kay Welo Lingo. 59-40, 19 big leads by the CM Farm. Lingo, pass to Barako. Para dyan kay Sanjo. Rebound, Laundry. Ends. Reverse good. On Tempra. Now it's a 21 points by the team CM Parma. Lopez, Umararo, get foul.
All number 41. United Defense shooting 2. Substitution 41. First personal foul. First team foul.
Napakatibay ng matatag na pagsasama ng CM Farm. And that is a free throw violation.
He's tipping on the line.
Oh, there's a no basket. What happened? Nako naman. And that is only one. 20 points. Na-invalid pa yung isa for the free throw violation. Sanjo. Check. Lingo. 3, no good. So still, here now by CJ Delpino. Delpino pass to Eamon Calo. Calo on the board. Three-point shots. Bang! Another 3. John Manso. Talagang ang daming nagpapauran ng mga 3-point shots. So holding foul.
Oliver Dwight Manzo, holding foul. Substitution, Manzo, third personal foul.
Third personal foul for Manso. (64-41), 23 points by the team CM Farm. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Foul on Ray Suerte.
Foul number 4, holding foul. Number 4, second personal foul. Third of the team.
Delpino.
Turnover.
Seven minutes, 64-41.
Okay. WB, Sophia. Corpus, warning. Ang game clock, palihog, saksakan sa game clock. Salamat.
Shoutout na muna tayo from Canada. Shoutout from Zamboanga, Sibugay. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Third quarter, 6:55 remaining. Suerte. Pass to Laundry Sanjo. Now to Manso. Manso fire, 3. Yan na naman! Yung mga connection sa labas. Hindi mapatay ang sunog. Nag-WB mga 3. Nagaling from the CM Farm. CJ Delpino. Roll down, check. And it back. Hang time puts off, no good. Eamon Calo. Now to Ojula. Pass to Eamon, bounce back. CJ, nice press. It's a foul.
Foul jersey number 41, Tetra. Illegal use of shooting. Second foul. Warning for penalty. CM Farm.
Yan, shoutout po sa inyong lahat ng mga nanonood. Of course, shoutout to our dear friend from Palmayo, Barangay Palmayo, Florida Blanca, Kapitan Marco Fajardo, kasama ang tropa. Ayan. Tambako lang nangyayari dito sa ating paboritong kupunan pero masyadong maaga pa labing rather, that is a 6 and 16 remaining. Here in the third quarter, 67-41. They need some connection from the outside. At this moment, binalik na the Golden Hands. Mark Nonoy, the Mindanao Sniper, and Ojula together with Jack Corpus with the 2 free throws on the line. First throw, no good. Talagang may kaalatan din yung mga nangyayari dito sa WB Sophia. At dito pa kung saan championship game na. At ikatlong pagtatapat na nila ng CM Farm. Basket 67-42. A very confident hands by the team CM Farm. A lot of 3-point shots here. Now roll. Naka-recover. Ojula. And still by Daryl Villarosa. Here comes Emon Ojula. Try to direct attack. Ojula miss. Talaga namang ang alat. Check by Daryl pero cover by Sanjo. Laundry. Kick out open. Oh, it's a traveling.
Turnover.
This is unexpected. Championship WB Sophia and CM Parma nalalayo ng ganyan. 67-42, 5:44 remaining. Renz Escote from Kalangain. Nice pass. Ojula.
2 points.
Get the back end. 5:25, 23 points. Dami. Nabombahan talaga yung WB dito. Swerte.
There to shoot.
Maghahanap ulit ng magandang tira si Swerte.
Relax lang. Back to
Ayan
bench.
na, sunto ka na.
Back to bench.
Yung dalawa na naman.
Please proceed to your respected benches.
Ayan na.
All players. Respected benches. All players.
Ito na naman ang lambingan at ngayon nagkadapuan na. O nagkabitawan na.
Okay, back to bench.
Getalan and Jack Corpus.
Proceed to your respected benches.
Haha! Lambingan sa panalay. O dalawang beses nating nakita yung ganyang eksena. Kasama talaga dito sa liga ng mga hari ng panalay. Yung ganyang lambingan. Rance Rodrigo, Stone Rock Boto. Oh, Rance Escoto Rodrigo. Sarap manood talaga ng talaga pag ganyan. Axel Nobleza. Palaban talaga yan si Idol Jack Corpus. Asawa po ni Carlo Hilacon. Ha. Kaya nawala sa PBA. Iyakin, hindi po talagang ganyan yung ligang panalay. Huwag nyo na pong idamay yung PBA kahit sang bagay sa basketball o kahit sang lugar sa basketball, nagkakaroon talaga ng lambingan. Paldo na naman mga vloggers. Only Reels.
Okay, let's play basketball.
Yes, this is boxing with a little basketball. Oh, back in the floor. 67-44 is the score. 5:09 on the game clock.
Then to shoot.
Sanjo, bang!
2 points. Laundry
It's a long two by Laundry Sanjo.
2 points.
Kahit etong si Sanjo, kumukonekta sa labas. 450, Nonoy. Vic Manuel from the outside. No good. Rebound by Sanjo, and it's a steal. Daryl Villarosa. (69-46). Bang! Walo, lingo-lingo, magandang walo! Di mapigilan yung mga 3-point shots ni Welo. Nonoy, answer, samantala, di makokonek. WB.
Then to shoot.
3 and 50. 3-point shots. No good rebound. Wala tayong magawa, parang Joven Lico pa eh. Nakasanayan dito sa ligang labas. Sa Mindanao ang lambingan. Pero tama ka dyan. Bang! Sa wakas! But only 2 points by Daryl Villarosa. Three and 19.
And to shoot.
Long three. No good. Nonoy rebound. Nonoy pass to Daryl Villarosa. It's a traveling.
Traveling turnover. Substitution.
Shout out Limin from Bacoor. Barangay. Kick out to Cabaog from three. Bang! All of them connect from three. All of them connect from the outside. Sherwin pass to Vic Manuel. Vic Manuel step back. 3-point shots. Samantala, saradong nagmistulang basket dyan for the WB and Sophia. Nagkatambakol na. 75-48. Kumukonekta yung mga 3-point shots ng CM Farm samantala. For the WB and Sophia.
Number 10. Offensive foul.
Ring close.
Number 10, second foul.
Ojula. Pass inside.
And to shoot.
Tap of the key. Another almost. Here now by Angeles. Brian. To Villarosa. Pick. Vic Manuel. Drive. Get foul.
Jersey number 4. Illegal Isabels. Team penalty. Number 4, third personal foul. Substitution.
Personal is good.
1 point.
Miss. Offensive rebound. On the back. Foul. 2 shots for Brian Angeles.
Jersey number 77, Valencia. Hit to the head. Shooting 2. Valencia, second personal foul. Penalty. Substitution. One point.
Two out of 2.
Free throws complete. Angeles.
75-51. That was 24 points. Mahaba pa rin ang hahabulin ng WB. At samantala yung oras natin under 2 minutes from the third quarter na. Ray Suerte. Pass to JP Cabaog.
Then to shoot.
Cabaog post to Laundry Sanjo. Steal by Cabagsik. Here now by Jory Napoles. Jory take a stretch pass to Nakpil.
2 points.
Basket tip was for Jerick Nakpil. 1 minute.
Seconds to play.
$50 seconds. 10 seconds.
And to shoot. Turnover.
So turnover. 39 remaining.
Out of bounds.
Here comes now by Angeles. Angeles nakalusot. It's a foul.
Ball jersey number 50, pushing foul, shooting 2.
Shooting 2 for Steven Angeles.
Third personal foul, penalty.
Third personal foul for Laundry Sanjo. Versus good.
1 point.
Two out of 2 for Brian Angeles.
Angeles.
20 points. It's a foul for Jory Napoles.
Foul number 15, illegal incidents. Second foul, first of the team.
Full press. $20 remaining. Ray Suerte.
10 to shoot.
Suerte. There's a foul for Villarosa.
Number 18.
16 seconds on the game clock.
Number 18, second personal foul, second of the team. 16 seconds, transition. Shot clock 14.
Two seconds difference. Shot clock to the game clock. Genmar isolation by Bragais. Bragais fire from the 3. Offensive rebound. Pull up. Look good. And at the end of the third quarter, the score is 75 to 55. It's a big 20 points by the CM Farm. Dami talaga mga tres eh. Yun ang nagpabomba dito. Samantala, Delpino fire on 3. No good. Out of bounds.
Same ball. Map paliw map. Map paliw map.
A lot of 3-point shots made by the team
Paliw.
CM Farm. That is a big cause. Score by the CM Farm. Make that lot of lead here in the ball game. 9-19 here in the fourth quarter. Nakpil. Also Nakpil miss. Good back by Jory Napoles. 9-10 on the game clock. 21 points. Baug. Ray Suerte from the corner. Another almost 3. Defensive rebound. Here now by Brian Angeles. Angeles, take it away.
Foul
Naman
ball.
nadulas. Etong si Brian Angeles. Sobrang dulas.
Napalino. Alam, uga naman siguro, uga. Basa na yun, basa.
Nadulas pa. Etong si Brian Angeles.
Basa yan, yan. Medic, palayo, medic. Medic, palayo.
Yung mga tumatama yung mga 3-point shots nila while
Okay, back to the ball game.
WB Sophia
Same for basketball.
hindi makakonect na mga 3-point shots at mga tira sa labas. Yun ang nagpalagi at nagpalago talaga sa CM Farm dito. They are all connecting from the outside while WB Sophia is still up targeting. And now at the moment,
And to shoot.
Genmar Bragais against Diausen. Genmar ball pick, fire outside, no. Napoles get a rebound. Here now by CJ Del Pino. Del Pino drive, puts up. No good. Oh, it's an out of bounds.
Turnover.
Cabalg, drive it, no. Foul.
Number 15, pushing foul, shooting two. Napoles, third personal foul.
Siguro
First of the team.
tama nga din minsan yung mga nanonood natin. No, Neil Tolentino, mukhang walang pampabus na tinatawag, walang nagpo-full charge, walang energizer na kasama ngayon yung WB ba rin kapag yung energy ni Mr. Energizer nakikita at naipapasa sa kanyang mga kasama. Yeah.
One point.
A lot of time here, 8:07 on the game clock. But still a
Free throws complete. Jackor Cabajo.
too many score, too many leads by the team of CM Farm. At the moment, 23 points, big lead. Ojula underneath, get foul.
Foul number 15.
And Sanjo for his fourth foul.
Number 50. Fourth personal foul. First team foul.
Fourth foul for Sanjo. 7:52. versus good boy Ojula. What we're talking here is Energizer. Energy that he gave from his team. Parang kasabihan lang natin na iba yung Energizer kapag yung confidence niya sa loob pinapasigla yung kasama katulad ng mga ganitong problema. But still, have a 7:40 on the game clock. 18:59. 3-point shot. Sanjo! Oh! Di makapaniwala yung mga tao. Sanjo get that another 3. Pangatlo na ang galing kay Sanjo yan sa 3-point shots He's spinning away that Tasmanian Devil. Take short.
Ready to shoot?
Manso Pyre. The outside rebound. Pass to Del Pino. It's a miscommunication.
Turnover. Substitution.
Fortunately, no Neil Tolentino absence for this series here at the Dinagat Island dahil ginampanan ng pagiging mabuting ama sa kanyang anak at asawa. Mabuting asawa sa kanyang asawa. Bakasyon muna si Neil Tolentino. Birthday ng kanyang anak. Kaya kailangan samahan muna ang pamilya. Jory Napoles. Giggle mode by Jory. Get foul. 6:24 remaining on the game clock.
Jersey number 20, 28. Knocking foul. Third foul. Second of the team. Substitution.
Johnny find the up and under basket for 2. 22 points, 6:13 on the game clock. Still maintaining by CM Farm.
And shoot.
Manso from 3. Bang! Iba na yan. Iba na yan, sabi ng WB. They are all connecting. Without any hesitation. Grabe. Mga pukol sa labas, lahat halos kumonekta from the CM Farm. Here comes Cabao. One more. Hey! The confidence by the CM Farm. They are all connecting. While by the team WB, still a salty.
Foul on jersey number 14. Number 14, second foul, second of the team.
Salty connection. Also by the Golden Hands. A lot of shooter here by the team WB. Talagang yung kumpiyansa ng CM Farm na naig dito sa mga hagis sa tres. Silang lahat kumunektado pagdating sa mga outside shooting.
And shoot.
And also the connection na dala dito ng Team CM Farm, yung kanilang matagal na pagsasama na rin yung nangingibabaw dito eh. The chemistry, the camaraderie, and also teamwork. And at CM Farm made a great game for tonight. Dagangon. Halos mga shooter dito sa WB. Walang connection.
I'm out C4.
9-63. Malaking kumpiyansa na by the CM Farm here in the Dinagat Championship.
Then shoot.
10 seconds on the shot clock. 3-point shots. Look at rebound by Jory Napoles. Now by Sherwin Concepcion. Sherwin on the move. Alat. Look at rebound. Dami, no? That ball inside. Sherwin and one.
Basket is good. Foul jersey number 23, pushing foul, bonus throw. 23, first personal foul. 13 foul. Substitution.
Another off shooting. Concepcion pati sa free throw. Sanjo, yes.
Lopez, Sancho.
Cap the Gown also have an off target.
Then to shoot.
10-second shot clock. Chema Bergais to Laundry Sanjo. To Welo Ligo Ligo.
Out of bounds, turnover.
Hey, it's a turnover.
Out of bounds, turnover. Exactly 3 minutes. And to shoot.
Jory Napoles. CJ Del Pino drive. Yes, good for two.
Pino. And to shoot.
Bullet pass from the outside. Yan na naman. Di mapigilan. Mga bullet galing sa labas. The last 2 minutes here now by Del Pino. Blind pass to Gab Dagangon.
Substitution.
This is a lucky day from 3 by the CM Farm.
And to shoot.
Cabalg.
10 to shoot.
And this is a finished business by CM Farm Dinagat. Mukhang sila na yung magcha-champion talaga dito. Grab the gallon. Is it 2 points? And this is a championship from the CM Farm.
Seconds to play.
Congratulations, the CM Farm is the Loreto Dinagat Island Panalay champion and the first runner-up for the team WBSP. Kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod na panalay sa buong Pilipinas. This is WBSP. Please